wishing you a warm and healthy morning to make your day bright. Have a great day ahead. Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope so you are all fine and safe at home. I am your English teacher Zara Ali. Let's start our lesson. Okay, students, have a look. Today our topic is a digraph. That's mean 2 letter, 1 sound. I, a, e, a. When we put them together, they make I sound. I, e, I. Let's have a look of first example. F, l, I, s. Flies. Well done. Once again. F, l, I, s. Yes, that's flies. Move to the next one. T, I. Yes, that's tie. Once again. T, I. Yes. Well done, students. You are doing great job. That's tie. Move to our next word. K, I, d. Cried. Once again. K, I, d. Yes, well done. That's cried. Move to our next word. D, I, d. Dried. Once again. D, I, d. Well done. That's dried. Move to the next. T, I, d. Untied. Once again. T, I, d. Yes, that's untied. Okay, students, move to our exercise. Open page number 47. Look at the picture and talk about it. Here we have a digraph. That's mean 2 letter, 1 sound. I, a, e, a. When we put them together, they make I sound. Look at the fish tank. The fish are died. Die. Next, tie. Tie. And look at the pie. Move to our exercise. Open page number 48. Say and write sound I, E, I. Students, आपने I, E लेटर वर्ड्स ट्रेस करने हैं और एज इट इज़ नीचे वाली लाइन में जहाँ पे डॉट दिया हुआ है वहाँ पे आपने राइट कर देने हैं. उसके बाद राइट वर्ड्स हैविंग साउंड ई आई इन दैम. हमने वो वर्ड्स जो हमने अपनी प्रीवियस पेज पे रीड किए हैं वो यहाँ लिखने हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ लुक. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज डाई. I, die. Next one is tie. I, tie. Last one, pie. Pie. उसके बाद है स्टूडेंट्स रीड राइट एंड लर्न द गिवन ट्रिकी वर्ड्स ऑल एंड एस. ALL all and AS. स्टूडेंट्स आपने all और as it is राइट करना है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क स्टूडेंट्स. Do it carefully. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Allah Hafiz. La 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 la. हवा में उड़ना है, पानियों पे चलना है, अपनी दुनिया